while CIOs, of course, planned in advance for disruptions that were anticipated, and they hopefully built capacity, redundancy, and flexibility to deal with the disruptions. But even in the most risk-adverse planning for the unknown, the current situation has been so improbable and profoundly unique. For decades now, IBM has had a deeply diverse and technically literate workforce. Our teams are accustomed and immediately prepared to work remotely. Like every other business, moving to almost 100% remote working was a challenge, but not nearly as great a challenge as for other organizations, largely not used to and unequipped for remote working. It's likely that CIOs have planned for immediate business continuity and productivity. However, a recent study by IBM discusses 4 steps you now need to take to harden your systems and structures for the remote working environment to bolster resilience, stability, security. This has caused businesses to adopt new ways of working and serving their clients. CIOs specifically must find secure, robust, innovative, and trustworthy solutions to ensure their work environments are resilient, stable, secure, and agile. This is important tactically and strategically in order for businesses to be able to perform during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, IBM recognizes 4 general solutions to these challenges. Businesses and CIOs must firstly adopt modern, cloud-based environments that provide extra capacity and compute as a service, which allow them to pay for only what is needed. Secondly, as with compute power, it is crucial to plan ahead for surges in security threats and network needs. This includes adopting modern approaches to security such as multi-factor authentication. Thirdly, many workers, especially knowledge workers, should be able to work productively regardless of where they are. And lastly, while the decisions themselves cannot be made in advance, how businesses analyze, collaborate, come to conclusions, and coordinate efforts should be mapped out with insights and remote management. So in closing, IBM Power Systems are rated as delivering the highest reliability for the 11th year in a row. And this is within the entire server industry. And this is according to the ITIC Global Reliability Survey. Power Systems are used by approximately 80% of the Fortune 100 companies. And today, over 4,600 IBM Power System nodes are being used by researchers around the world to help identify a cure for COVID-19.